Chapter 11. The Environment. Our environment is made up of living and non-living things. The living things in nature are the plants, flora, and animals, fauna. The non-living environment consists of air, water, rocks, minerals, and soil. The living and non-living things are our natural resources. Human beings depend on the natural resources for their daily needs. The books you read, the shoes you wear, the food you eat, the car, bus, and cycle you use to travel, the furniture you use, and the computer you operate are some of the things that we make and use. Pollution. Non-living things in nature are free, but to make our life comfortable, we overuse our resources and also damage our environment in many ways. When we manufacture things for our use and then discard them carelessly, we cause pollution of air, soil, and water. The increase in pollution has led to many changes in the environment. Let us find out how we are responsible for the pollution of the environment, namely air, water, and soil. Air pollution. We need clean air to breathe, but due to our negligence, clean air is getting polluted in the towns and cities. Let's find out how air gets polluted. What happens to the smoke and poisonous gases given out in the picture? The poisonous gases like carbon dioxide given out by vehicles and factories mixed with the clean air and pollute it. Bursting crackers during Diwali also pollute the air. This polluted air causes breathing problems, irritates the eyes, and causes other health problems to the living beings. Keep the air clean. Be an environmental cop and reduce air pollution. To do so, follow these environment-saving tips. Walk short distance. Do not use a car. Switch off car engines at the red light. Use a public transport. Use a carpool to go to office. Use a cycle to travel short distance. Plant more trees. Water pollution. 3/4 of our earth is covered with water, but most of it is salty. Only 3% is fresh and is fit for use. Human beings have polluted even this small amount of water available to us. Let us find out how we have polluted the water. Dirty water from our homes, shops, and factories goes into the drains. This water contains soap, detergents, chemicals, etc. Drains release this dirty water into rivers and pollute them. Farmers use fertilizers to grow their crops. This fertilizer also gets washed away by rains and mixes with water bodies like rivers, ponds, etc. All these things pollute the water. Many harmful germs grow in polluted water and causes diseases like jaundice, diarrhea, and typhoid. Chemicals polluting the water also kill aquatic animals and plants. Save water. We can save water by following these simple tips. Repair dripping taps. Do not leave the tap open while brushing your teeth. Use water from a bucket to take a bath. Wash your car with a bucket of water and not with a hosepipe. Reuse kitchen water for watering the plants. Fact 5. Acidic gases, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide released from factories, cars and homes cause acid rains. Soil pollution. When harmful wastes are mixed with soil, they spoil the soil and cause soil pollution. Anything that is left over and not used is thrown as waste. This waste can be from our homes, factories, and agricultural fields. There is so much waste and so little space to throw it. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Some of these waste like vegetables and fruit peels and newspapers decay quickly and mix with soil. These are called biodegradable waste. All the food waste, parts of plants, pencil shavings, animals, and human dung are biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste can be recycled as manure. Waste is collected in compost pits. Worms eat up the garbage to create rich manure. Waste decays within 45 days to 90 days and forms manure. Manure is added to soil. Plants grow well in this soil. Non-biodegradable waste can also be recycled. The waste is treated so that it can be reused. For example, newspapers are recycled to make new paper. Plastic is recycled to make cheap buckets, mugs and toys, and glass is recycled to make new glass objects. Metals and rubber are also recycled. What do you do with the newspaper that comes to your house every day? Broken glass, mug, plate and cup. Fruits and vegetables peels. The poly bags and old plastic bottles. Fact 5. On an average, it takes 450 years for plastic to decompose. Old toothbrushes, empty toothpaste tubes and shampoo bottles. Old clothes and shoes you no longer use. How can we save the environment? We can help in saving our environment by following the 3 R's. What are the 3 R's? These are reuse, reduce, and recycle. Reduce. Use less. Choose the things that can be used again. For example, use cloth towels, handkerchiefs instead of tissue paper. Only buy what you need. Reuse. Find new ways to use things before you throw them. For example, old textbooks can be given to the library or old toys and clothes can be given to orphanages or charity organizations. They can be used by the needy. Recycle. As discussed above, Waste can be recycled to be used again. Rules you should follow to keep the environment clean. Separate waste into two groups, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Do not litter. Put waste into the dustbin, not on the roads or your surroundings. Trees are helpful. If the environment has to be saved, we will have to save our forests and trees. Trees are our helpers and friends. Trees are useful to us in many ways. Their roots hold the soil firmly and prevent it from getting washed away in rains and floods. They also release oxygen which we use to breathe. How to save our trees? We should not cut trees. If we have to cut them for our use, we should plant more trees than we cut. Paper is made from trees. We should not waste paper. We should use both sides of the paper. In villages, people use wood as fuel to make food. They should use other forms of fuel such as LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Fact 5. Gobar gas is cooking gas formed by the decay of cow dung and other organic waste. In a nutshell, our environment is made up of living and non-living things. It is home to different plants and animals. Human beings pollute air, water and soil. Plant more trees to save the environment. Use biodegradable materials. Reduce, reuse and recycle all goods.